Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your daily reading, we are picking few cards, guys. For your love reading, it's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever card you want to watch, you can think about that questions you have in your mind regarding your relationship and close your eyes, think about that for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the pile whichever comes to you first and watch that reading. I have given the timestamp in the description, so you can skip to the timestamp and watch that pile, guys. So let's start with your daily reading first. Taurus, it's 6 of Wands in reverse, 4 of Cups in reverse, and Queen of Wands in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So with these cards in your situation today, you are having certain apprehensions about something. You fear that something may go wrong, or you fear that some people are not to be trusted, and some fears about your future. I see you are quite disturbed, and though you have that good opportunities in your life, things may be proceeding in a harmonious way in certain things. You feel that there are people ready to cheat you on some things, and people who are envious of you, greedy of your success. So some negative energies are there around you, someone from your work situation or your personal life. So something worrying you. But I see today, Taurus, that you are proceeding towards something very positive, some new collaborations in your business, or it may be a new relationship that is extremely satisfying and that gives you that sense of balance and peace in your mind. And if it is something in your work, it may be a new business offer or some collaboration, something positive is coming your way, Taurus. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily energies. For your love energy, don't miss on that reading. It's going to be an elaborate love reading that will come up right after this daily reading, guys. So stay tuned for that love reading. For your love reading, guys, I have 3 piles today. So whichever pile you want to watch, you can watch it. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your connection, this relationship, what this person may think, or what you feel, or what is the outcome of this connection, so you can think of all that. Close your eyes and remain silent for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose that pile which you see first, which you have that intuition towards. So that reading will resonate to you guys. So I'll be silent for a few seconds and we will start with the first deck. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this first deck, let us see what are the cards with this deck. So I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. First card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So let's see what are the cards for your love reading, guys. For those who have chosen this deck, it's 6 of air, 10 of air, Two of Fire. With these cards, the energy for your situation, guys, is that you are in a time of great change. Something is changing in this connection or in the way you are in this connection. You are trying to find that calm, composure and peace within yourself, though your outer circumstance may not be suitable for that peace. So some kind of troubles you are expecting in this relationship, or you are already having those troubles, or it may be something of your past, some troubles that you have faced in your past. But right now you are just trying to gain knowledge from those situations, whatever you have faced in your past relationship or this present relationship, and you are hopeful that things will change for the better if you change the way you respond to your circumstance. So for some of you, you are in a separation, I see, from your partners. For some of you, you are in a stressful situation right now. Maybe some misunderstandings and arguments in your situation. But whatever be the case, you are finding peace within yourself, and you feel that guidance within your heart of hearts, and you are progressing towards that healing phase. You are progressing towards that positive future. So the way you respond to your circumstance, the way you are changing it. You are changing your perception, and you are trusting in this process of growth in this connection, guys. Maybe for some of you, this past connection would end gracefully, and you are planning for your future, planning for something new in future. But maybe for some of you, if you are in a stressful connection, you are trying to work towards that better understanding by the way you perceive your situation and the way you respond to your situation. So you have a better understanding, and you feel that you are being inspired, and you have that intuition guiding you today, guys. So that is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen this first deck. Thanks guys for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys. So for those who have chosen the second deck, we'll be picking 3 cards, guys, from this deck. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, and we will turn these cards now, guys. Birds, ring, whips. With these cards, guys, the energy is that in this connection, maybe you are being misled by some third hand information or gossips about this person, or they may be hearing gossips about you and they are being misled. So I see that some kind of communication is becoming an obstacle, maybe, guys. And in this connection, maybe yourself or your person, someone is having some addictive behavior, and that again may be a reason for something stressful. So if it is something positive, some positive habit, maybe health oriented habit like some sports activities or diet, exercise, something health oriented, that can be followed. But if it is not that, if it is something harmful like a harmful addiction, You need to keep a check on that, guys. So this card just reminds that whatever harmful behavior or habits that we have, we need to go for moderation and try to give that up to get that better harmonious life, guys. So maybe in this connection you have arguments, or you are fighting some repetitive arguments, or something going in repetition, maybe criticisms. This person is criticizing you, or you are criticizing them. So something of that sort, I see that is leading to some kind of separation, or some that perfect understanding may not be there between you both. And I also see that this connection needs constant working. You have to have that responsibility and obligation to see through this connection. Maybe you need to put in more efforts. If you truly love this person, you have to maintain this harmonious balance between you both. So whatever is necessary, you need to do that. You have to be really careful, dedicated. You have to have that careful planning in this connection. So if you want this connection to work, you have to make it work. That is what I see with these cards, guys. So there are troubles in this connection. So if you want this person, you have to make those efforts. Only then this connection will last. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. But for those who are single, if you are already separated from your past person, if you are ready for a new relationship, I see that there is someone coming with commitment. They are dedicated to you, they have love, and they are interested in you, and this connection may work. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen this second deck. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys. So for the third card, for those who have chosen this deck, I'll be picking 3 cards again, guys. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it. We will pick these cards first, and I will turn these cards now, guys. So for those who have chosen this third deck, Initiate of Moons, 10 of Spheres in reverse, and 8 of Spheres in reverse. So with these cards, the energy for your situation is that, guys, maybe in this relationship with this person, you may feel that they are not truthfully concerned about you, and that you cannot trust them. They have you have your own doubts about this person, and you feel that you cannot trust this person totally, and this person does not have that compassionate loving nature towards you. So you may feel that they are not concerned about you at all, and that may be a reason for some stress, or you may feel that this person is not reliable, guys. And in your future in this connection, you may feel that you cannot trust them, and this person, maybe there is a chance that you may find that deep connection with them or not. So some kind of a chance that you see in your future with this person. So maybe for some of you, you feel quite uncertain how things will go, and you may see this connection as a destined connection. Maybe it is a karmic connection. That is the reason you feel this way. So though you are with this person, You do not share that great understanding or compatibility. This person may be there because it is the destiny, part of destiny, that you are associated with this person. So other than that, you don't feel any connection with them, guys. So something is bringing you both together, but you may not share that great love and understanding. And I also see that maybe for some of you, if you are in separation or if you are ready for a new relationship, you may see someone coming with a proposal with that love and attraction towards you, or you may have that towards someone and you may go to propose to them. Someone really hard to resist for you, or maybe for some of you it may be a third person you are interested in, or it may be their energy. So they have a stressful relationship with you, but they are finding someone else interesting. They are feeling that attraction towards someone else. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So if you are single, you are finding someone interesting, and if you are in a connection also, I see that someone is approaching you or you are approaching someone, because this person is really hard to resist and they are very attractive and you have that passion towards them. You feel a great attraction towards them, guys. So that is what I see. Maybe for those who have chosen this deck, there is a third party involved. That is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching this video. For those who have chosen this third deck, if you like this reading, please comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.